How to enable or disable raw image editor with photo editor on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, from the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the Gallery app. Then make sure you go back to your Gallery homepage. And from here, tap on the menu button. From the pop-up, tap on Settings. Now in Gallery Settings, we scroll down and tap on Photo Editor Settings. In here, tap on Raw Image Editor. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Here you can fine-tune the color and exposure of raw images in a specialized editor before moving to the standard photo editor for cropping, effects, and other edits. So turn it on or off as needed, and then tap on the back key to go back to your gallery, or tap on the home button to return back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.